Machaji na manyonyo, nimekuja kujua makola wengine wanachukia Andrew Kibe hapa tu kwa online peke yake. Lakini kwa ground mtu wangu, cheki hii video manze.
Beautiful ladies, come and say hi here. Ladies, how are you? How are you doing?
I think I know you
From where?
at radio station.
That's what's up. Are you guys good?
Mecca. Close.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
We're all good.
Yeah?
You guys are easy.
Yeah.
You'll be fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where you headed to?
You want to come?
We wouldn't mind. Like, yeah.
But you know me, I have to blast.
Okay.
I have to bomoa.
It's not bad. It's not bad, but then we have to like have a conversation about that.
No, at least we agree now, mapema. Before you enter the M5.
The
Yeah, that's what's up.
What
Yeah.
about the R200?
No, at the S550.
Okay. Not that bad, but where you headed to? Like,
So,
just driving around
no,
right now.
your guy is here.
where you headed to?
No, it's not where I'm headed to. Have you agreed to that story?
Okay, I don't care. Like whatever.
No, it's not whatever. We have to agree that when I take you guys,
Smash and pass.
I want to not pass, smash, proper, double.
Double.
The two.
Mimi nakwambia hii social media isichocha watu. Ground vitu tofauti, bora tukola mona KM5, KGLE. Ai. Hataki kujua kama ni Kibe. Unaona? Lakini unapata kwa online ati Kibe. Wapi? Lapi ujue hao makwela walikuwa na maboyfriend wao. Wakawatoka mtu wangu jo. Usitake jua.